Hello there, and welcome to the new brewery. Welcome back, brewers and beer lovers, to Flying Wombat TV. And today, we are not brewing anything, but we are showing you our new brewery setup, which we are super stoked about. So you would have already seen, I think, one of our brew days. No, we haven't released the brew day in the new brewery yet, but we will very soon. So we have a new set. We have a totally new place, and we've got a lot more space for cameraman Odin to not trip over every time he's filming stuff. So we're gonna give you a little bit of a walk around and yeah, show you the new place. We have space, lots of space. Welcome to the new place. So, name of the game, honestly, is just space with all of this. A lot of this is the same stuff that's on all the previous videos, but cameraman Odin is not going to trip over grain bags and cords and power cables every time he walks around now. So we can make better videos for you guys. Over here, we have our brewing area. Same stuff as before, just more area to do it all. So we've got new dolly for our Brewzilla over here. We've got some new toys that we're going to be playing with very soon. So we're going to do a comparison for you guys on the best way to cool down your words. But more on that soon. Over here, we've got the ability to showcase all of our nice, shiny, stainless steel tanks, which is a whole lot of fun because what's the point of having stuff like this if you don't get to show it off properly? And then down here, we do have Easter eggs brewing. Literally. So we have some, you know what, we're not going to say what it is, but it's going to be a special beer release for the festivity season over the Easter break. So stay tuned for that because it is delicious, it is black, and it is beautiful. Coming over here, we've got our glycol chiller and we've got a new tank, which I don't really know what I'm going to do with this yet. It's not jacketed or anything, so I don't know. Maybe a big batch of sour at some point. Not sure. Maybe that will be the dedicated sour tank. Over here, we've got all of our grains and stuff. So we've got a nice, big, heavy-duty shelf to carry all of our grains and all of our grains in here. Next, grain mill, all that kind of usual jazz. Over here, this stayed tidy for about 20 minutes. So once we moved everything into this new setup, it was all so pretty, so schmick, so clean. And then I did one brew day and I've made an absolute fucking mess of everything. So, oh well. Over here, we have our new Brew Talks set. So, we have got the baby bar in here for now, and very soon, we're either going to be buying or building a new big bar to do our Brew Talks. Let us know. Do you reckon we should build or buy? Do you reckon Kegland is going to chuck something our way?
Come on, Kegland.
Come on, Kegland. And then behind us, we've got all of our barrel aging experiments and different things. Shout out to the stout. It's still sitting here pretty, aging away gracefully like a nice old man. So this thing will probably, we've been taking wee little samples to see how it's progressing. I reckon we give it another month and then we start putting this one into bottles.
You want to take a sample now?
Even as I was going to do that, I knew it felt weird. And then over here, we've just got all of our random equipment, our bits, our bobs, all the stuff that doesn't really have a home anywhere else. It's all hanging up here, as well as our peg wall with all of our TC connections and tri-clamps, as before. What else? What else? What else? New stuff coming very, very soon. Stay tuned, guys. So we will be launching our website at long freaking last, as well as a whole bunch of really cool shirts and merch coming out. So stay tuned for that. Let us know what kind of colors you might want on your shirts if you guys want to get some Wombat on your tummy.
How is this compared to the last setup?
It's just so much nicer. It's nice. Oh, and lighting.
Yeah.
Proper lighting everywhere.
Proper lighting.
Flip the switch. So we've got all our industrial lights good to go with one button.
Yeah. Ooh, spooky.
Way better than the last setup. So the name of the game here is honestly just space. We've got heaps of space to make better videos for all of you guys. But if you do want to see any of this stuff in more detail, if you want us to go talk about any of the stuff that is going on in here, let us know. Drop a comment down below. And we do have new stuff coming very, very soon. So stay tuned because the Wombat is gonna fly. Kegs. We're drowning in kegs. So many kegs.
We need more taps.
Kegs
we need
and
more
legs.
taps.
We need more taps. For all our kegs.
Yeah. 3 taps is not enough.
It's never enough. Thank you, everyone. everyone for coming and seeing our new Wombat home. If you have any ideas on what type of bar we should build next,